हेलो पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारा जो लेफ्ट ओवर टॉपिक हमने जो छोड़ा था जहाँ से वहीं से। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टोन कॉपर फेज। इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ चाल्कोलिथिक सेटलमेंट। टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द न्यूलिथिक period begin the use of the material. The metal to be used first was a copper. So copper was the first metal to be used by the early human beings. Such culture is known as a Chalcolithic culture. The earlier settlement belongs to this phase is found in the southeastern Rajasthan, western part of the Madhya Pradesh, western Maharashtra, and also in the eastern India. In the southeastern Rajasthan, two sites, one was Ahar and other was Gulund, has been excavated. तो राजस्थान में कौन सी दो साइट्स हैं? देखिए ऐसे आप छोटे छोटे नोट्स बना लेंगे सो दैट यू कैन इजीली रिमेम्बर अहर एंड गुलुंड. They lie in the dry zone of the Banas Valley in the western Madhya Pradesh. In the Malwa, Kayataya Aran has been exposed, but the most exhaustive and excavations has been placed in the western Maharashtra. Several Chalcolithic sites such as Jowar, Navasa and Dimabad in the Ahmedabad district, Chandoli, Songaon and Imamgaon in the Pune district and the Nasik has been excavated. So these एरियाज आर इंपॉर्टेंट. कौन से? साउथ वेस्ट राजस्थान में था, मध्य प्रदेश में था एंड द वेस्टर्न महाराष्ट्र में था. तो चाल्कोलिथिक साइट्स यहाँ पाई गई हैं. कभी कभी प्रीलिम्स में एंड इवन आपके मेंस में भी क्वेश्चंस आ जाता है डिस्क्राइब द चाल्कोलिथिक सेटलमेंट. तो आप जब इस चीज को लिखते हैं यू विल गेट फेच मोर मार्क्स. फाइन, ओके. All these Maharashtrian sites were located in the semi-arid regions and mostly on the brown-black soils and have var and babul vegetation, but tell in the riverine tracts. In addition to these, we have the Navdatoli situated on the Narmada and some chalcolithic ingredients intruded into the Neolithic sites in Andhra. तो न्यूलिथिक एज है आफ्टर द चाल्कोलिथिक. चाल्कोलिथिक के बाद न्यूलिथिक आया. तो न्यूलिथिक एज कहाँ पे मिलती है? आंध्रा में. तो मगर कुछ जो ओवरलैपिंग्स हैं हमारी चाल्कोलिथिक एंड न्यूलिथिक की वो हमें आंध्रा में जाके मिलती हैं. But the copper objects are not found there. Several chalcolithic sites has been found in the Allahabad region, presuming on the account of their proximity in the Vindhyan region. In the eastern India, beside the Chirind on the Ganga, mention may be found in the Pandu Rangar Devdi in the Barwan district में मिलता है. In the Mashihdal in Midnapur district of वेस्ट बंगाल. तो ये साइट जो है स्प्रेड ओवर है. कहाँ कहाँ आप अगर ड्रॉ करके देखेंगे, सपोज मैं यहाँ पे आपको एक मैप बना के दिखाती हूँ. सो ये आपका गुजरात आ गया, ये आपकी कोस्ट आ गई एंड दिस इज योर ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स, नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट्स, ऑल दिस. तो यहाँ पे थी ये साइट्स आपकी, थोड़ी एमपी में आ गई ये साइट्स, वेस्टर्न महाराष्ट्र में थी साइट्स, some part of Andhra overlapping थी ये sites, some part of Uttar Pradesh and some part of West Bengal. Now, Chalcolithic culture. People belong to this culture use the small tools and weapon made of a stone, which the stone blend occupy in its important position. In many places, the stone blend industry flourished, although the stone axes continue to be used. So, stone जो था, that was still in use. Even though copper was discovered, they were still using the stone tools. It is obvious that this region ये जो रीजन था, दिस रीजन is not suitable for from the hills, but at the same time many are found in the riverine tracts. कुछ जगह जो हैं, ऑल्दो ये जो ट्रैक्स थे बेसिकली, सॉरी चला गया, ये हमारे कहाँ मिल रहे थे हमें, सेमी एरिड एरिया में, बट कुछ ट्रैक्स जो थे वो रिवराइन एरिया के पास भी मिले. This seems to have been in the case of the Ahar and Gulin, which may lay more or less in the dry zones of the Banas River Valley in the Rajasthan. At the Ahar, the stone axes and blends are completely absent. यहाँ पे stone और blades जो थे वो absent थे Ahar में. On the other hand, the axes and other objects made of copper are numerous because raw uh, copper is locally available. तो कॉपर टूल्स वर मोस्टली यूज, क्योंकि वहां पे कॉपर इजीली एक्सेसिबल था. स्टोन नहीं यूज कर रहे थे, कॉपर यूज हो रहे थे कुछ जगह, और कुछ जगह स्टोन यूज भी हो रहे थे विद द कॉपर. अभी जो नेक्स्ट पेज है इसमें आपके इंपॉर्टेंट साइट्स दे रखी हैं. लाइक आपको इंडस सिस्टम दे रखा है, उस पर कौन कौन सी रिवर सिस्टम, कौन कौन से रिवर सिस्टम पे कौन कौन सी साइट्स लोकेटेड थी. आई विल टेल दिस लेटर ऑन, बट मैं अभी चाहती हूँ कि आप ये चैप्टर फिनिश कर लीजिए. आफ्टर दैट आई विल मेक अ मैप फॉर यू. उसमें मैं आपको साइट्स लोकेट कराऊंगी कि कौन सी साइट इंपॉर्टेंट है पर्सपेक्टिव टू द मैप लोकेशन, बिकॉज समटाइम इन प्रीलिम्स it's important to know about the sites of Harappan times with the river valley, with the रिवर वैली की कौन सी वैली, कौन सी रिवर से वो ओरिजिनेट होती है बेसिकली. फाइन, तो ये आपको मैं नेक्स्ट उसमें बताऊंगी. फाइन. नाउ बट इन द गुलिन वी फाइंड अ स्टोन ब्लैंड industry. Flat rectangular copper axes are found in the Jor and Chandol in the Maharashtra, and the copper traces at the Chandoli. The people of the stone copper phase use different type of pottery, one of which is called as a black and red and seems to have been widely prevalent. So black and जो red pottery थी, that was widely used in the Chalcolithic age. Now it also throw on the wheels and occasionally painted with a white linear design. तो ये wheel से बनते थे and they were occasionally painted with a white design. So उस पे बनती थी. It is true not only of the settlement of the Rajasthan, MP and Maharashtra, but also heritably found in the Bihar and West Bengal में भी ये sites मिली हैं. यहाँ पे channel sprouted pots, dishes on stands and bowls on stands भी मिले हैं. ऐसे bowls थे, stand लगा हुआ था, ये सब चीजें यहाँ पे मिली हैं. Okay, we can notice difference in their form of pottery and implements. The people living in the stone copper age in the south eastern Rajasthan, western Madhya Pradesh and western Maharashtra domesticated animals. They also domesticate animal. Important point मिलता है domestication और फाइन, जिसमें वो क्या काउ, शीप्स, गोट, पिग, बफेलो ये सबको लेते थे and hunted deers. Remains of camels has also been found. It is not clear whether they were acquainted with the horses. कि horses वहाँ पे थे कि नहीं थे. Some animals remains are identified as belonging either to the horse or a donkey or wild. Sorry. Now, what is remarkable is that the people produce wheat and rice. In इस time पे जो है wheat and rice produce होता था. In addition to these staple crops, they also cultivate the bajra. They produce several pulses like lentils, masoor ki dal, black gram, green gram, grass pea. Almost all these food grain has been found in Navdatoli, situated on the bank of the Narmada in Maharashtra. Perhaps at no other place in India so many cereals has been discovered as a result of digging. The people of Navdatoli also produced burr and linseeds. Cotton is produced in the black cotton soil of Deccan, and ragi, bajra and several other minerals भी lower Deccan में produce होते थे. Now thing is this, how diversified their cropping system was, how diversified it was. Okay, now in eastern India the fish hooks, जो eastern part of India था वहाँ पे fish hooks has been found in the Bihar and West Bengal, and we also find the rice, and this suggests that the people belong to the stone copper phase in the eastern region where on the fish and the rice खाते थे. The Chalcolithic people are generally not acquainted with the burned brick. Burned brick के बारे में उनको नहीं पता था, which were seldomly used. Occasionally, these houses were made up of the mud brick, but mostly of these were constructed with the water and doubt, and seems to have been thatched houses. In Imam Gaon, the earlier Chalcolithic phase in the western Maharashtra, वहां पे large mud के houses मिले with the ovens and circular pits. House has been discovered. Ovens may be used for cooking purposes. Cooking purposes में आप oven use करते होंगे. Now sorry, later phase we have a houses with the 5 room के houses भी मिले and 4 room के houses and 1 circular भी मिला. ठीक है. So with this we can see that धीरे धीरे जो society it was developing. ठीक है. Now suggesting the families were large. Because of family were large, they were the large houses. They were having small rooms with a big room in the center. ये सब भी हम imaginate कर सकते हैं उसमें. The culture is also because it is very settled in it provided by the Jor, a village settled on the Pravara river. A good number of settlers possess the traits of the Jor culture, and even Jowar village is nucleated settlement with more than 35 houses of different size, circular and rectangle to the shape. The Chalcolithic economy therefore was a village economy, and some settlements such as Imam Gao and those in Ern and Kaitha is the central. In the central, okay, and western Madhya Pradesh are fortified. तो कुछ जो थे वो they were fortified, but other जो settlements थे they were having the village, and they were also nucleated थे, and there were many rooms, so we can imagine that the families were large. Now we cannot imagine that it was urbanized. The stone जो age थी, हम fortified घर को देख के ये नहीं कह सकते that it was urbanized area. ठीक है. Now to this culture belong a large number of very small size stone tools known as microlith. People know that the area of spinning and weaving because the spindles wars has been discovered in the Malwa. The cotton flex silk thread has been found in the Maharashtra, and this shows that people were well acquainted with the manufacturing of the clothes के बारे में उनको पता था. अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा they were growing the cotton seeds in the cotton soil, जो black soil in the Deccan area, they were growing the bajra, they were growing the millets. तो हम ये इमेजिन कर सकते हैं जब cotton grow कर रहे हैं they were using it for the purpose of wearing or weaving. Sorry. The regional differences in regard to the cereals, structure, ports, etc. Appeared in the stone copper phase. Eastern India possessed rice भी उगते थे eastern में, wheat, barley, chronologically settled in the Malwa and central India, such as Kaitha and Erin were earliest, and those of the western Maharashtra and eastern India were much later date. We have some idea about the burial practices and the religious cults of the people. कुछ burial practices मिली वहाँ पे, कुछ religious cults मिले people के. So in Maharashtra the people bury their dead in the urns. Urn means pot. Pots में वो dead body को रखते थे under the floor of their house in the north-south position. North-south position में उनकी body होती थी. They do not use a separate cremates for their purpose as was a case in the Harappan. Harappan के time में जो चीजें थी वो चीज नहीं करते थे. हरप्पन साइट में क्या था, they were burying their dead persons in the different place, but in this दे वर बरी इन द हाउस, गड्ढा खोद के उसे एक पॉट में डाल के और गाड़ देते थे. Pots and some copper objects were disposed in the grave, obviously for the use of the dead. In the next word, the terracotta figures of the women uh, suggest that the Chalcolithic people vacated the mother goddess, and some unbaked nude clay figurines were also used for worship. So there was a worship of women, worship of the old men, you can say. अभी the figure हमने identify नहीं करी, is it a woman, is it a boy, is it a old man, we are not knowing that. A figure of mother goddess has been found, ये मिली है western Asia में. In the Malwa and in Rajasthan style bull terracotta shows that the bull served as a religious cult की तरह use किया जाता था bull को. The stone copper face we find the beginning of the social inequality in the grave at the Chandoli and Navasa in the western Maharashtra. Some children were buried along the copper necklace around their neck, and other children were graved good considering only of the pot. At the Imam Gao, as adults were buried with the pots and other copper in one house in Kaitha, and were around 29 copper bangles and 2 unique axes. At the same place, we found in western east earthen pot necklace of semi-precious stones such as statites and the carnelian breeds. It evicted the who possessed these objects were affluent. So यहाँ पे inequality के बारे में भी बात करी गई. The dates has been scientifically established. This phase of culture was not older than 1800 BC or 1800 BC. It seems to have been continued in some area till the 1000 BC. But in many parts of the country, the black and red pottery continued till the 2nd century. So we are not able to identify the period. Period कहाँ से start हुआ, कहाँ end हुआ, and from where it different type of materials were found. तो ये सब अभी identify नहीं कर पाए. Now, importance of Chalcolithic fades. Except for the alluvial plains and the thick forest area, tracts of Chalcolithic period culture has been discovered almost all over the country. In the face, people mostly found the rural settlement on the river bank and uh, far removed from removed from the hills. As stated earlier, they use the microliths and the stone tools implements. Little use of the copper. It seems that them knowing the art of copper melting भी इनको पता थी. Almost all the Chalcolithic community used the black and red ware earthen pot. They were the first to use the painted pot. So they use the painted pot. Okay. They were the first to use a painted pot, and they used the lota, but there were no traces of thali. Lota तो use करते थे, but there were no traces of thali. In the south, the Neolithic phase incomparably faded into the stone copper age, and so this culture is known as a Neolithic Chalcolithic. So there was an overlapping period in the Neolithic and Chalcolithic. In the other parts, earlier in the western Maharashtra and Rajasthan, the Chalcolithic people seems to have been colonized. This earlier settlement appeared in Malwa and central India, and such appear in Malwa and central India, and such as those of Kathia and Ern, and these are the western Maharashtra appeared later, and those in the western West Bengal were appeared last to emerge. Now, the Chalcolithic community found the first village in India and cultivated far more cereals is known in the case of the Neolithic community. In particular, they were cultivated the barley, wheat, lentils in the western India and rice in the southern and eastern India. The western India have more of the animal food. So western India में animal food, but the fish and the rice form the important remnant and diet in the eastern India. Remains and structures has been found in the western Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, southeastern Rajasthan में मिला है. So with this whole we can conclude that about the eating habits, about their way of life, and about their lifestyles we can know. In Maharashtra, the dead bodies were placed in the north-south position, but in the south, east, west position में रखी जाती थी. Almost complete sorry, extended burial objects in the Maharashtra, but post extraditions on fractional burial prevailed in the West Bengal. Limitations of Chalcolithic age. The general weakness of Chalcolithic culture is evident from the burial of the large number of children in the western Maharashtra. In spite of the food produced economy, the rate of infant mortality was very high. We cannot identify its cause, but it might be the lack of the nutrition. हो सकता है. Absence of medical knowledge हो सकती है. Outbreaks of epidemics हो सकता है. The stone copper age has essentially the rural background. During its phase, the supply of copper was limited and the copper metal has its limitation, but itself a tool made of copper was a plaint. The people do not know about the art of mixing tin with the copper and thus force them much stronger and use the metal called as. तो जब tin और copper को हम मिला देते हैं तो what copper is we form a brass कहते हैं या you can say bronze tool facilitating the areas of Crete, Egypt and Mesopotamia, but they were practice was absent in India because people were not knowing this. Fine. Now the people of the stone copper age did not know about the art of writing also. They most of the stone age culture exists major part of the country were younger than the Indus Valley civilization, so we don't know about the time period also. The copper age in India, more than 14 hoards consisting of copper object has been found widely ranging from the Chota Nagpur plateau to the upper Gangetic plain. The Ganga Yamuna Doab में भी मिला है. These artifacts served the several purposes and they meant not only for fishing, hunting and fighting but also for artisanal agricultural use में भी हो सकता है. The pre-purpose, the good technology, skill and knowledge on the part of the coppersmith cannot be the handiwork of nomadic people and hunter को भी हम कह सकते हैं. Now this shows that the people who use the copper ore lead to settled life. जो copper के चीजें use करे they settled life and were not earliest primitive agriculturists and artisans to settle in the good position of the Doab के region में वो settle down हो गए and they started working out. Now these are found in the Khetri zones of Khetri zone of Rajasthan. तो Khetri is an area जहाँ पे अभी भी हम copper वहाँ से mine out करते हैं राजस्थान में. Orch colored pottery culture roughly placed between 2000 BC to 800 BC. The Orch colored settlement used the copper object disappeared. The Doab does not show much habitation till 1000 BC and we learned some habitation by the people using the black and red ware को हम देखते हैं. In any case, in the upper position of Doab, in the upper Gangetic basin, the metal age really begins with the settlement of the copper use of old colored pottery people. However, at no place did their settlement last for more than century. Now, but the sanctity and the religious purity attached to the copper vessels and the utensils etc. in Hindu may have started in the copper age. So you can say the Hindu religion was started during that age. So we may therefore expect some give and take between the copper used people and the bronze used people of Harappa. But there is many confusion about the dates, so अभी हम conclude नहीं कर पाए. So इस chapter में basically we are concluding about the how the stone copper age started and how it lead to the Neolithic age. Chalcolithic Neolithic का overlap हुआ and next अब हम पढ़ेंगे Neolithic age where there was a full-fledged urbanization concept. Welcome. So with this, I hope you are making your notes बनाइए छोटे-छोटे so that you can revise it well. So with this, I come to an end of this chapter and will bring next video very soon. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends and do comment whatever you feel asking to me. Thank you very much. So with this, I end this video. Thank you very much.